Sweet one, cheers and bye. $100 get one bag of Jello. Get the ticket at the purple bus. Get the ticket at the purple bus. I trust me. I'm going. You can't just see them like two pretty girls where you have with them pretty act the way you want out there, yeah? You want? You pretty act with them have. No man, the pretty act will do me better. If I need this one with you. Alright, me darling. One bag of Jello, $100. Hello sir, one bag of Jello, $100. No. Okay. Now go on to you can't put an egg to it. One bag of Jello, mommy and Jenna. Sugar cane.
Want something light? We have snow cone to cool you down. We have popcorn and candy. Come over and visit Portland Pavilion. Bring a friend and rock and come. This is a public service announcement. Don't forget to come over by Portland Pavilion and check out our Boston jerk pork and chicken. Yes, you heard right. Boston jerk pork and jerk chicken. Seasoned to perfection. Quarter 1,000. Half pound 2,000, 1 pound 4,000. Want something light? We have snow cone to cool you down. We have popcorn and cotton candy. Come over and visit Port Pavilion. Bring a friend and rock and come in. This talk to me.
Where say you have my boss?
Yeah, man, we have ganja rum crepe, strawberry, pumpkin spice, we have ganja roots wine. We also have chocolate, we have gummy beer, chocolate, peanut butter, you name it. Pre-rolls, everything. Soup, candle. What's that? So $2.5 for the rum cream, $15 for the roots wine.
And the business, what name my business?
Cannabis 876.
So we can find you on Instagram.
Yeah, Instagram, Cannabis 2N3Z, triple Z, put them to bed.
Alright, that is it. Big up here, bro. Alright.
Tell me where I come from when we get this. Rosemary, tell me where I come from. Look for me how I look.
St. Elizabeth.
Hey, Rosemary.
So she have the rosemary from.
Not good for her.
Oh, it's good for your body, make you look younger and make you work better.
Where me work better?
Hey.
Where me work better? Where me work better?
If you used to chop down 10 bananas, tap down in a day 15, 20.
Where you say?
100, that's why I make it strong.
Where you say?
Yeah, man. Oh, hey, listen to me, man.
Here with the rosemary.
Rosemary, me have sauerkraut, me have cinnamon.
No, me have sauerkraut already, yeah. So me no know.
Cinnamon, all the nice mint, me I sell aloe vera, the raw one. Nothing big and nice, come from the farm. See there? See there? Them something I may come from Portland, you know. Yeah. Whole heap of something in a box. Whole heap of something. Me have rosemary, me have cinnamon. Me have beef thyme, you know the one they will put in a soup? Yeah, me have that too. Bad like yours.
And what the price? What's the price for it?
$300, man. Me now hold the price. I independent day today.
You're supporting the people.
Yeah, so yeah man, support man. Can some people come too?
Yeah, man, you support.
Hey! Respect, Papa. Enough thanks.
From Manchester. So as you can see, they are planted in the box. They don't have to plant the stuff in the box and put it outside.
Drop it there.
Your name?
Lenky, my name.
Lenky. So you.
1981 we are jerk chicken.
Alright.
Most of them money are a family. Cousin, uncle.
Big family. Alright.
Now we are the bus 1980. Years gone to settlement.
Alright then. Big up here.
1980. The general come from Reddy's Road.
Self-care line. So this has a variety of cosmetics products. We have the soaps on display today and some our teas. We just gone into tea, turmeric and ginger together. All of these are very good. We test them and it's proven from our customers, they're giving us good reviews that this line actually does work. The person will create the line, then study it, and not somebody will just get up and try something. The line is proven to work.
Okay.
So today at Denbigh, if you purchase any of the soaps at the cost of $1,200, except the kojic, which is $15, you'll get a free sample. You also will be in the running to get one of our gifts. Look at the soaps. These are very good. You see at the bottom tick, you'll get quality and value for your money. Quality and quantity for your money when you buy self-care. Yes, self-care. Today at the Denbigh Showcase, we are at the St. Elizabeth Pavilion. So persons can come on down and look for self-care. We have surprises at our tent. We have a machine that does the scanning of the skin. It tells you what type of skin you have. And it tells you which type of product they use on the skin. And it does so much more. Our team is very friendly and nice. And they will assist you with whatever issue you have with your skin or hair.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you. So self-care with Tiffany. Self-care.
Alright.
Take your picture and you get it back right away.
Come here.
Don't take one to 5 this for the adults, man.
That's why.
Nice, though. Yo, it tough. Snowball. Yo, snowball.
So tell me about your business.
Alright, so we're a Toasty Street business. It's called M&I Toasty Streets. Our business location is not fully disclosed as yet due to ongoing business registration. But for now, we do catering and worldwide events, etc. all around Jamaica. And yeah, you can book us, you can rent our machines, etc. And yeah, we're just here.
What's the contact number?
876-203-5328 or 876-442-617.
Are you guys on social media yet?
Yes, you can follow me on social media at _HEYNIA, that's _HeyNia, and that's on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.
Okay, so What is he currently doing? Is he making the cotton candy?
Yes, he's currently making the cotton candy via a cotton candy machine from scratch using sugar and other variety of sugars.
Ingredients, so we don't give up our main ingredients.
Alright, so you can just come and tell me and walk me through the process?
Sure.
Good. Alright.
So right now he's using our wood stick to grip the cotton, and then he's just swirling it around the machine to get it into a nice little puffy with the cotton candy, and then into the bag by his assistant right here.
Okay.
This is another one of our employees for our business.
Okay.
And he's our sole manufacturer, so he's the one who is behind all of this creativity.
What's your name, bossy?
Rowan.
Rowan. Alright, Mr. Rowan. So that's it. That's the process of making the cotton
Right
candy.
now he's working with blueberry flavor. We have a different variety of flavors. He has done pineapple, green apple, cotton,
Normally we have
strawberry, and right now he's doing
Yes.
Okay.
And there are many different flavors.
Yes, also, and sometimes depends on the venue. We cater for different category of courses, because sometimes we use sugar named flush sugar, and it's gold medal. And if you know gold medal brand, it's a standard #1 brand out there. And that one, it tantalizes your taste bud. You get the real blueberry, the real strawberry, but it's based off your bookings and what you want and how we will cater for you. We are here to serve you. Anything you want, we will provide it.
And give me your number again. Let it.
876-203-5328 or 876-442-6175.
Thank you. Thank
And
you.
you will see more of us in the trade.
And
We're
you'll
coming
see
out
more
on
of us on
TikTok.
TikTok.
We're going to have our banner, and everything will be out there in your face. And you know, social media is the way to go. And we will be going hard, because we don't go home. We go hard. And we don't play no games. And we are in Maypen. And Maypen is no playpen. Thank you.
Proud Jamaicans. So we're making the what are you making now?
And right now I'm making
Okay.
So this is an ice pressure machine.
Okay. So this is a snow cone from scratch, guys. And as you see, she's using the ice crusher machine.
So I have a crafty way of making my snow cones because I like to please all my customers.
Okay.
So I base my cup with the syrup, and then I go in with some ice. And then I do another layer of color.
If you want the green also, here's the green. If you want lime juice as well.
There you have it. Yes,
Alright.
green books.
Thank you so much. All right. How much is it?
1,500. 1,000. I never said 2,000. I never said 2,000. I was Denbigh, not US. Sorry. Denbigh, not US.
You use the money buy out a wallet for something, so.
So you...
Can't come and he can't come in. Come and speak to me, madam. King, are you leading anything here?
What buy water? What buy juice? What buy water? What buy juice? So you are the champion, lady.
Tell us about the animal. And one today. What as a champion?
What's what are some of the characteristics that the judges determine by this sheep is the championship of all of them?
No, like I said, let's stay. Put that ring.
So essentially they're judging the specimen relative to what their genetics should be. So the closer the specimen belly side in Jamaica. Better than chance.
Everybody just step back.
What are the employment prospects? Is it that companies want
But the demand is especially in animal. Very good. Well done. Well done.
Mr. Green? Mr. Green? Mr. Green? Thank you very much. Will you come under my hand first? Sorry.
Huh? You know you're a lady.
One minute. This spaghetti. I just get some information from you. Parts.
For them go to yeah, sure. So yeah, we go to them already rate from which country you're from? Where you're from?
St. Thomas.
Yeah, the candy. Boss with the Jamaica kick them. What you mean, my boss? Outside.
No sure. If it's two you lose, you know. Take your time. Plan your one. Take your time. 100 in a bag. Them. You come this side now.
Don't fling, just try. How will you give it? Money in iPad.
Only for money in there.
Him just win 2 grand. Ask him, see that. He just changed 1 man. That's a 200 grand out right there. I mean, I have nobody.
Hey, money in iPad.
Any money you throw it, I don't need to take up. You take up the ball and the money and go throw it. 1 bag, you take out every money. $50. Take up the ball and go on.
100. No, see you.
Yeah, $800 here. Don't know alright, go behind the line. That's the hard one I take. Oh, no move, let me see line. Can I go and thief? That's why I'm winning. Yeah, I get in front of you. 2 man. I take it all off. Mine again. Save 1,000 and make money back. Here, pass it by. Oh, you pay fee. Yeah, you're the back island. No, whoa. $100. Anything we take up a few, man. $100, take up it. So you know, say $700 I have here. See? Oh, $700 I have here. $600 I have here. Ever bless. You ever check YouTube channel? Yeah. Ever bless. $500 I have here. Go behind the line. Nobody go fast man because you know you're dangerous. No, I know the line that. See the line I posted. So you watch that. Yeah. Nobody have been out for the line and come out, man. 5, 4 left. How many do you take? YouTube
Big up.
See you change it.
No, you're not showing me what you want. You're not showing me the meeting is the meat one. Mr. Benson is Mr. Benson. All 3 Campbell. Mr. Benson, show me the welding plan, Mr. Benson. You say you have a welding plan. Yes. Mr. Benson, you're warm. You're warm, Mr. Benson. You're warm. You're very warm, Mr. Benson. Are these your choice? Alright, we need people to help me, sir. Talking true, the piece that is a wedding plan. We got good luck to you. Alright, so wait, Mr. Benson, wait, Mr. Benson. I'm going to carry over you, Mr. Benson. People, anybody in the village, as you said, we never influence Mr. Benson. Mr. Benson, you like me effectively. Mr. Benson, let the people then to take weed is still in your price.
Hold on. Before we go any further, Mr. Benson, you see a touch of machine up here, right? Oh, but this is the wedding plan.
I took you. I understand.
Alright, people waiting. Now let the people be the judge. Give him some and I give him none.
Mr. Benson, come Mr. Benson. Come Mr. Benson.
They never want the classes.
What is this? You get one of the 30? So you want to give him back?
Water. 3 quarter and 1 and Now what will be liberty? And
the customer see, we tell them to relax if you don't see it because you won't get too nice, you know what I mean? When we don't fix you up, you don't have no more problem, so just breathe easy.